Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to show you how we planted up this beautiful arrangement here. Actually, my youngest daughter, Ella, wanted to take the reins today, and she actually picked out this beautiful planter box and these flowers when we were at a local nursery. And so I said to her, why as well give it a shot and see how you do. And I think she did a beautiful job. So I hope you enjoy Ella as she plants up this beautiful planter box of flowers for spring.
Hey everybody, I'm going to plant these flowers in this box today, and I'm going to, before we start this video, I want to get a shout out to Proven Winners, because these beautiful flowers, I love them very much, and if you can see behind me, there's a lot of flowers behind me that my dad planted, and I want to just plant whatever I want to do, so here we go. And I'm going to plant this beautiful, my favorite flower is the Peachy King, Superbena Peachy King, and Sky Blue Lobelia. There we go. So today we're going to plant these 4 flowers with my gloves and my shovel, my dad's shovel. And here we go. Here we go. Now we got this dirt ready. Now we have to put some Proven Winners food in there. So what you want to do is just go like this and make sure you spread it out all the way. There we go. So you want to get very spread out. So now we're going to put a little bit of flower tone. That's enough. It looks like rocks, but it's not. Alrighty. There you go. Want to get it real mixed in. So now we can put the flowers in. So what you want to do is just plop it. Just be careful, but it's alright. So you want to take it out and see all those roots? That's some healthy plants right there. Okay, so now you want to like map it out like where you want it. So I want it like this. So here we go. We're starting to plant. More videos soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.